Welcome back to Kevin's Backyard. Today we're going to be talking about how to grill a complete breakfast on your Weber grill. We're going to show you how to grill bacon, how to grill potatoes. We're going to grill some chicken breast. Then we're going to use the side burner to saute some vegetables. I'm even going to show you how to do a barbecue chicken omelet. I'm going to give you all the skills you're going to need to use every feature on this grill to make the perfect breakfast. Now before we talk about our breakfast, let's talk about our grill setup. And we all know preheating is the most important step in all of barbecue. And we've already got that process started. Now after that 10 to 15 minute mark, we're going to turn this area down to medium. And that's where we're going to do our potatoes and our chicken on. We're going to take this area, we're going to turn that down to low. And that's what we're going to do our bacon on, because we don't want it to overcook. What I love about this Spirit model grill, it has infinite control valves, so you have complete heat control of the unit. Let's get our breakfast started. And we're going to be putting our potatoes and our chicken over the medium heat. Then we're going to put our bacon over the low heat. And we all know we need a nice light coating of oil on the chicken breast. And we've already done one side, so I'm going to finish that up. And then we're going to get our food on the grill. And yes, I put my bacon directly on the cooking grates. You want more flavor? That's one way to guarantee it. Let's get this last chicken breast off the grill. And you can see here we have some amazing grilled food. Our bacon is nice and caramelized. We have some diamond marks on our chicken breast, and the potatoes are golden brown. And let's start building our barbecue chicken omelet. We have our sauteed vegetables we did on the side burner. We have our barbecue chicken, and then we're going to put our eggs inside the saute pan. And I know you're getting hungry, so let's get this omelet finished. And our barbecue chicken omelet is almost complete. We just need to finish it up with barbecue sauce and some cheddar cheese. And I hope we've been able to teach you how to do a complete breakfast on your Weber grill. And for everything else grilling, you can always find it here on Kevin's Backyard.